How to make a death in Infinite Craft. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can make a death using the elements on Infinite Craft. So without any further ado and delay, let us get started with today's video. If you want to make a death in Infinite Craft, it's quite simple. It is probably the fastest way. So by default, we only have 4 elements: water, fire, wind, and earth. And we're going to use a combination of these elements, which I'll make sure to leave in the description box below. So first, you basically get earth and water and drag the water to earth, which will form a planet. Then after that, you simply also have to get, so first you have to get earth as well as the wind over here, as you can see. And once you get earth and wind over here, you simply drag them like this to get dust. Then after that, you get dust plus earth. So you get earth and drag it, it will turn into a planet. Now you get wind and you get fire, drag the fire onto the wind, which will turn into a smoke. Then you have to add water to the smoke like this, and it will turn into a fog. Then after that, you have to get planet plus fog, and it will turn into a Venus. From Venus, you want to get water and fire and add fire and water together, which will turn into a steam, and get steam and Venus together, which will form a life. Then after that, you simply get a smoke to it. Now to form a smoke, what we do is we select a life. After we form the life, we simply add smoke to it. So simply search smoke over here. And basically, once you get smoke towards the life, you simply drag the smoke towards life. And when you get smoke on life, you get a vampire. Then you go ahead and then add vampire plus life, and you will get death. And then with that combination, you'll be able to use it. I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.